Hello music class, I'm Mr. F, and today we're going to talk about the beat and about rhythm. Say beat, say rhythm, beat, rhythm. We're going to start our class right here by talking with our hands. Musicians do so many things with their hands, and I love to talk with our hands so that we can get our hands all warmed up for music class. Let's get started. Hello. Do it with me. Hello. Next one, take 2 pointer fingers, curl them up, then they give each other a hug. Friends. Try it again. Friends. Hello. Friends. One more time. Hello. Friends. Pretend you have 2 cans of soda. Put your thumbs up in the air, hands together. Point your thumbs at yourself. How? Say it with me. How? One more time. How are you? How are you? How are you? Last word. Thumb and a pinky. This is the letter Y. Say Y. Say Y, Y. Take 2 Y's, and you're going to say today. Today. Let's put it all together. Hello, friends. How are you today? One more time. Hello, friends. How are you today? I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm excited. My friends, I am really excited because today in music class, we will look, listen, and learn about music. Let's go. Let's get started by talking about the foundation of music called the beat. The beat is the steady pulse in music that you always feel when you listen to music. It's the part of the music that makes you want to move your body. Now let's do a little activity to learn about the beat. Take your right hand, put it on your shoulder, and you're going to tap along with me. Ready, let's go. Tap, 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 tap. Good. Keep on tapping, keep on tapping. Keep it steady, keep it steady. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Say beat, 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 beat. Say ta, 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 ta. Say ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Say ti, 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 ta. Say tiki, tiki, ta, tiki, tiki, ta. Say ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ta. Say tiki, 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 ta, ta. Say tiki, 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 ti, ti, ta. Say ta. Say ta, ta. Say ta, 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 ta. And stop. Awesome job. Did you notice my hand? Did my hand stay steady or did it change? That's right, it stayed nice and steady. And it was a steady pulse that was building a foundation for everything else on top of it. And did you notice that our voices were changing and saying silly sounds? Like ta, ta, tiki tiki ta. And they were able to change because something was staying nice and steady. And that something that stayed nice and steady for our different silly sounds to be built on top of is called the beat. Everyone say the beat. Great job. The beat stays nice and steady, but something else that changes is called the rhythm. Everyone say rhythm. Great job. The rhythm is the short sounds, the long sounds, all mixed up. Say short sounds, long sounds, all mixed up. And that's the different patterns that we are doing with our voice. The silly sounds like tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta. And we are mixing them up in different patterns. We're going to learn about the different types of music notes that we can mix up into different patterns to make rhythms. Let's check it out. We're going to start with the longest note, and it looks like a circle. Make a circle with your hands and say whole note, whole note. The whole note says ta, ta. 1, 2, say it with me. Ta, ta, and stop. Awesome job. Let's tap the beat on our shoulder while we say a whole note, ta, ah, ah, ah. Let's try it out. 1, 2, ready, let's go. Ta, and stop. Did you notice how many times you tapped on your shoulder? Let's try it one more time and think about how many taps on your shoulder you do for the whole note. Ready, let's go. Ta. How many taps on our shoulder did we do? That's right, 4 taps. And we call each one of these taps a beat. So a whole note, we're going to say equals 4 beats. Say 4 beats, 4 beats. Whole note, whole note. Ta, ta, and stop. Awesome job. The next one is going to be called a half note. Say it with me, half note. And for the half note, we're going to say ta, ta, ta. Say it with me, ta, 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 and stop. Now let's tap on our shoulder while we say ta, ah for the half note. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. How many times did you tap on your shoulder for each half note or each ta, ah? Let's think about it and try it one more time. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. You guessed it, you tapped 2 times on your shoulder for each half note. Say half note, 2 beats, 2 beats. Ta, 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 and stop. Show me your whole note again. Say whole note, 4 beats, 4 beats. Half note, 2 beats, 2 beats. Quarter note. Show me your quarter note. Quarter note. For the quarter note, we're just gonna say ta. Let's try it out together. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. Let's tap on our shoulder and see how many taps we do for each quarter note. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 and stop. How many times did you tap on your shoulder for each quarter note? That's right, 1 time. Are you noticing a pattern? Let's take a look at it. The whole note equals 4 beats. The half note, which is half of a whole, equals 2 beats. The quarter note, which is 1 out of 4 parts of a whole, equals 1 beat. Let's take our 4 beats, which is our whole note, and let's cut it in half. Ah. Now we have 2 beats, and that is our half note. Let's take our 2 beats and cut it in half. Ah. Now we have 1 beat, and that is our quarter note. So we went from 4, cut it in half to 2, cut it in half to 1. I'm going to teach you about one more type of music note. And these like to hang out together. And they are 2 dots connected on top. Say it with me. 2 dots connected on top. And say 1/8 notes. 1/8 notes. And the 1/8 notes sound like this. T, 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 T. Say it with me. T, 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 T. Stop. Now, let's tap on our shoulder and say the 1/8 notes, or the T, T. And I want you to notice how many times you tap on your shoulder for each sound. 1, 2. Ready, let's go. T, 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 T. Stop. Did you notice that you said 2 sounds every time you tapped on your shoulder? So there's 2 parts for every beat. And we call this cutting the beat in half. So each 1/8 note gets to share the beat. We're cutting it down the middle, and each 1/8 note gets to share the beat. So it's 1/2 of a beat. We do 2 sounds for every beat. Let's try it again. Ready, let's go. T, 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 T. Stop. Great job. Let's do all of our notes together. Let's start with our whole note. Then we're going to do 2 half notes. Then we're going to do 4 quarter notes. Then we're going to do 8 1/8 notes. 1, 2. Ready, let's go. Ta, 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 ta. T, 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 T. Great job, friends. Now we're going to mix up all the different types of music notes into different patterns. And when you mix them all up into different patterns, the short ones, the long ones, and everything in between, you get something called rhythm. Say it with me. Rhythm. Let's take a look at some rhythm. Rhythm is different patterns of music notes all put together. Let's take a look at some different rhythms. The first one looks like a quarter note, another quarter note, 2 1/8 notes, and a quarter note. And that rhythm sounds like this. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's say it together. Ready, let's go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Notice how we had different lengths of music notes in there. We had a sort of short one, the quarter note, followed by another same quarter note, but then we had the really short ones, the TTs, followed by another ta. Let's try it one more time. Ready, let's go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Awesome job. Let's take a look at another rhythm. This one looks like we have 2 half notes, and each half note says ta, ah. It sounds like this. Ta, ta. Let's say it together. Ready, let's go. Ta, ta. Awesome job. Let's take a look at another rhythm. This one looks like a quarter note, followed by 2 1/8 notes, and then a half note. Let's see what it sounds like when we mix all of those up. It's going to be a ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's try it together. Ready, let's go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Try it again with me. Ready, let's go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Awesome job. Let's look at another one. Oh, this one looks a little longer. It looks like a whole note, followed by a half note, 2 1/8 notes, and a quarter note. This one's gonna say ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's try it all together. Ready, let's go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Awesome job. Let's try it one more time. Ready, let's go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Great job. Let's take a look at one last one. Oh, this one's a little bit longer and it has more music notes in it. That's okay. Let's break it down. We have a quarter note, 2/8 notes, a half note, a quarter note, 2/8 notes, a quarter note. That one's gonna sound like this. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's do it together. Ready, let's go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Great job. One more time. Ready, let's go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Awesome job. Are you starting to understand now how we can take the different types of music notes and mix them up into different types of patterns? And that, my friends, is called rhythm. Say it with me. Rhythm. We talked about the beat, the steady pulse in music. We talked about whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. And we mixed them all up and we learned about rhythm. Thank you so much for joining me today, my friends. I'll see you next time.